We're going to be installing a gable vent into my garage, and so the problem I have here is it's a 1950s home. It's got zero insulation and there's no soffit vents or anything like that, so it gets quite stuffy and hot in here. This is the gable vent that I purchased. It's 14 inches from here to here, and then it's about 23.5 from here to there. So it'll be the inner dimensions of the box. I'm gonna make just a dry fit it before I go up on the ladder. This is the inside of it, and it sits right in there like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this box, and this dimension here was the width of between those two studs. So now I'm gonna go up on the ladder with my nail gun. Last thing I did is I used a 1/4-inch bit on a hammer drill to mark where my corners are. So now when I go on the outside of the house, I can tell where I'm going to be breaking away the pieces. All right, here's our breakout. So managed to keep most of the paper intact and the wire as well. Now I can see those studs that I put in earlier and the plates on the top and the bottom. So got that right there. So I'm going to break this out a little bit more, and I'm going to pull back the wire. So we're dry fitting this thing, and it's almost all the way done now. I just have to break out the bottom a little bit more. Yeah, this thing is out. This is the rough opening. Where's the garage from a new angle? All right, so now I've got this thing in place, did enough breakouts, got a little bit of room here on the bottom so I can try to push in however much mud I can. Here is the rough opening. I put down some butyl tape. We just flipped our wire back and I cut it to length, and I made sure we got our polyurethane caulk everywhere I could possibly get it behind this thing, and a little bit in front. I just used up the rest of the tube I had. So now that's what we got. Put in some new paper here just to help as much as I could. Just mixed up some rapid sets, so I'm going to work rapidly to try to get that up here. So stay tuned. All right guys, that is the finished product from the outside. I'm gonna let this dry, then we'll pressure wash and paint it. And yeah, so thanks for watching, hope this helps, and take it easy.